Hey, this is the Burping King here, or other known as Family Guy Rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to attempt to do some louder and longer burps today. Let's see if I can do them. There's a good one to start off with. And no, I don't use any drinks or nothing. To me, those just make the burps not as powerful. I've been teaching my stomach muscles to extract and expand for years, so it doesn't hurt when I inhale in my stomach. This makes insanely loud burps. Okay, I gotta do one last one, then I gotta go. I'll make some more videos up and upload them soon.